Enna day! Alright guys, this is Sifu Kairesh here. Today I'm going to show you an interesting video where I noticed an Indian guy speaking fluent Cantonese. Do you want to have a look at that? Come, let's have a look. Seriously, this guy's Cantonese different level, fluency very different level. Come, let me show you.
customer thấy đâu mà charge cái này không mà thấy đâu mà thấy nó ok à xây kia á tôi chụp cho nó ghê à cô ghê à người ta nó đi bên cô ghê à xin thấy rồi cậu mua đó mua scanner mua printer nên có một chỗ ra đây có cái 4504 3504.
Check this out. Isn't it awesome or not? This guy just spoke Cantonese. Seriously, I was having my haircut. Don't ask me why I had my haircut, okay? I had my haircut, okay?
Wait a minute.
This guy was sitting next to me. And then suddenly, out of the blue, this guy just spoke Cantonese. I was like, is this a Chinese guy? Then I turned at him, hey, it's an Indian guy there talking Chinese. And then, anyway, this is the video which I made. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know what do you think about her fluency, his fluency, okay? This is awesome. Enna day! Awesome or not, okay? Comment below, let me know how. 谢谢，再见。